we're going to go exploring. There's a little bit of wind, so it's early morning, it's still a bit chilly. But check out this lovely like gazebo thing, and I can hear birdies. I don't know if you can hear them. To Playas del Castillo. Got myself an ice cream because why not? And let's see, some sunlanders, and then I think over there somewhere is Puerto Castillo, and that's where I'm going on Tuesday for a boat ride. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna see if I can find any shells, because I couldn't find any shells on the beach right outside my hotel. But I think it's just one of the things where shells don't always wash up everywhere, so do forgive me, I can't see a thing here. She's saying these harbour cats that are looked after by a charity. Need the cat food up on the shelves, don't have to spoil it. And they've got cat names. Hello, girl. Am I disturbing you? Don't have to try and come up. Yeah. Hey. Hello, girl. Hello, crabs. You're just chilling. Yeah. I like that one, sunbathing. Soybean salad. It's the end of day 2 almost, and I managed to have some of the breakfast where they had fresh honey, like in the honeycomb still, which I thought was really, really cool. And I went for a walk all the way to Puerto Castillo. It was about a half an hour walk, and then I kept going, and I found wild chipmunks, which is such a weird sentence to say. but they just live on the beach. It's not where I'd expect to find a chipmunk, in honesty. I thought, you know, if you watched Chip and Dale, the cartoon back in the day, they lived in a tree, I'm sure. Do they not live in trees? I don't know. I took a load of pictures today and I sent out some postcards using TouchNote, which is a handy little thing I've used for many years now, where you can make your own postcards using your own images, which is very cool. So I've got some pictures of me, you know, posing on the beach to send to my nearest and dearest to prove that I've been somewhere. Because I mean, are you really on holiday if you don't send a postcard? Do people still do that? I don't know. I like to. That's a wrap for day 2. For dinner we had Oriental themed food, which means we had bean sprout, sushi, and lots of rice and noodles and, you know, all of that jazz, which was very, very yum. I can't say I'm a big fan of sushi, but the noodles and everything was lovely. And for pretty much every meal there's a slice of cake available if you really want some, which I love my cake, so it was very tempting to have cake every meal, but I was pretty good, and I've only had it with lunch and dinner, not just breakfast as well. I did a lot of walking today, and after all of that I came back to my room. After dinner I had a little bit of a lay down and just rested my legs for a bit because they were pretty sore. There was a quiz on at the hotel bar, the lobby bar, which was a music quiz, which caught my attention because I do indeed like my music. So I thought, I'm a shoo-in for this. So what you had to do was they'd play you about 10 seconds of a song and you had to guess the title of the song, not have to worry about who sang it or anything like that. But you did have to do, you know, what's the name of the song? Which immediately the first song, in the first 2 seconds I knew it was Aerosmith. I knew it was I Don't Want to Miss a Thing. So I was like, oh yeah, I know this song. I didn't do so great with some of the songs because they did various languages. So they had French songs, Polish songs, German songs, as well as English songs. So obviously I didn't know all of the songs. But I think I gave it a good go considering. I didn't win anything. So yeah, it was good fun. Tomorrow I'm not too sure what I'm going to do. I think I might take a little nosy at the main lobby because there's supposed to be someone there that can have, they advertise excursions and stuff, so maybe I might go and see what available thing. Obviously on Tuesday I'm doing the last bottom boat, so that's fine, I've already got that sorted. But maybe I can go and see something else to go do. I thought I'd be really scared. I was really scared coming up to my trip. I was mostly anxious about going on a plane and navigating by myself because I'm not the best at navigation. But thank you Google Maps because I think I've been really lost without you. I don't know how anybody did it before. I use it a lot at home too when I don't know where I'm going, but especially in another country. I'll catch you again tomorrow.